Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately with essentials: 2 keys or fobs and a charged car battery. Those let the system recognize authorized devices. Once done, make sure all doors, hood and trunk are closed so sensors won't interrupt the reset. Keep the owner's manual and fuse diagram handy because you may need specific fuse or button locations. This saves time and prevents false triggers while you perform the initial reset steps. You now perform the key and fob sequence that tells the immobilizer to relearn authorized keys. First, insert the key and cycle ignition to on then OFF 3-5 times without starting. This wakes the ECU and clears temporary locks. Once done, press the fob lock/unlock pattern from the manual so the system pairs the remote. If the vehicle supports it, pull the alarm fuse for about 30 seconds to interrupt power and force a control module restart. Then reinstall the fuse. You finish by confirming the system accepts the reprogrammed key. Start the engine and observe dash indicators. A steady security light off means success. Next, arm and disarm the alarm, then test each door and remote range to ensure sensors and remotes work. If something goes wrong, check the fob battery, the spare key, and fuse integrity. Make sure battery terminals are tight. If the problem persists, a dealer or locksmith scan of the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.